Hello mga ka-road trip, hayaan nyo pong ipakita ko sa inyo ang ganda ng Iloilo dito sa Carles, ang isla ng mga higante. Halika kayo at tunghayan natin ang iba't ibang isla dito. Maraming salamat po.
Turn me loose from your hand. Let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, clouds and forest fountains. Home along the lake, I have a dream.
Running free in the world, we got all we can.
If you see the wonder, see your true colors shine. See your true colors. That's why I love it. I believe in angels. Something good